everyone, welcome back to Roger Journal. I'm Alice. I'd like to share the first journaling process in my new collage notebook. If you haven't watched the last completed collage notebook flip through, I have the link in the description box below. When I journal in collage notebooks, I try to use my ephemera as much as possible because I like keeping little bits and pieces from everyday life and they just keep growing. The box on the left is my journaling box. As you can see, it is completely full. So I gathered some pink, blue, and mint colors from the box to coordinate with the pages. I wanted to put the movie ticket in the frame, and the circle on the right page is what I cut out of wrapping paper from Christmas. But it doesn't look Christmassy, and the mint color went well with the page, so I thought it's okay to include here. So I almost figured out the layout. I'm attaching the envelope with a white washi tape and added more of the same washi tape on the inside to reinforce, but this time I cut it and used only 1/3. I'm fixing the elements: a business card, a museum ticket, a chipboard die cut, a label. I thought the right page felt a little bit empty, so I added washi tape pieces. This tiny little tag is a cutout from a sticker package. When there's a tag, I wanna hang it with thread. I love dangling elements. So I poked a hole and passed the thread so the two tags can be together. And I poked a hole on the page to make them dangle. Lastly, I added a beautiful journaling card on the envelope with, again, washi tape piece. After writing, I stamped the date on the frame. This page was simple to do but fun to look at, and I love the colors. I hope you enjoy this journaling process video as much as I enjoyed journaling. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a wonderful week. Bye bye!